Hi, this is Kelly, and today is July 8th, and we're down at my rain garden. And before I go any further, I just want to remind you, if you enjoy my channel, please like and subscribe. And if you know someone else that might enjoy it, please consider sharing it with them. We're down at the rain garden, and what I wanted to talk about specifically were these irises right in front of me. These irises are just commonly called yellow irises. They grow 3 to 5 feet tall, according to my research. However, these ones are well over 6 feet tall, and they are the perfect plant for a rain garden. You can even plant them in up to 12 inches of standing water. They like a wet soil. They naturalize easily. Here are some seed pods. Now these have not dried yet, but they will turn brown and burst open and leave seeds wherever. So if you do not want your plant to spread, you need to clip those off. And you could actually trim back the leaves into like an upside down V formation right now, about 24 inches off the ground. Now we haven't done this yet because these very striking tall leaves, we think it adds like a tropical feel to the rain garden. They get yellow flowers on them with a brown or a purple veining, and the flowers are about 4 inches wide, and you get about 4 to 12 blooms on each stalk. And we have 3 clumps of this variety in here. And back behind it, you'll see these are the green-headed coneflowers, which are every bit as tall as these irises, maybe even a little taller. So the goldfinches love these for their seeds. And they have not bloomed yet. They will get yellow flowers with a greenish colored center, and you'll see a lot of goldfinches visiting these. They also naturalize easily. The birds pick the seeds, and I think wherever they drop a seed, that a new plant comes up, because we find these growing all throughout the yard. But the ones in the rain garden are probably the most statuesque. I'm not sure if I'm gonna try to grow any irises from seeds of these yellow irises, but I could. It just takes longer until you see a bloom come from them. Macy came to visit the rain garden. Hi, Macy. 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 There you are, pretty girl. Now this right here, this is my cardinal flower. It is probably about 3 foot tall. It has not bloomed yet. We have some black-eyed Susans over here that have not bloomed yet, but they seem to be performing well in the rain garden. I have some purple irises up here that have not grown as tall as the yellow irises, and they may. These were a gift from my friend Laura, so I have had them in the ground for about a year, and I'm not quite sure what they'll do yet. We have these yellow irises planted in other parts of our yard, and they do get blooms. However, they are not as tall as they are down here. A little bit over here, we have our purple coneflowers, which are budding out, but they have not bloomed yet. Now, my dilemma, I didn't know whether I want to prune the irises or not, because they do look very tropical with their tall leaves. However, my hibiscus that was newly planted this year is not visible unless you climb inside the rain garden because of the green-headed coneflowers and the irises. Now, the green-headed coneflowers, I don't want to trim those back because they haven't bloomed yet. However, the hibiscus, I'm really looking forward to seeing it bloom. So I may wait a little longer and then cut the irises in the upside down V formation. But this hibiscus, I had one for several years, and it got dinner plate flowers on it. It was really beautiful, and I'm looking forward to seeing this one bloom. If you like this video and you have any questions, please leave any questions or comments below, and I will be happy to answer them for you. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye.